Well, here she comes, folks. Would you like to tell your fan club anything?
Made it to the ocean finally.
Well, let's turn around and see if we can't get a little bit behind us.
There. Rialto Beach, Washington. Finally made it to the ocean. The Pacific Ocean is definitely different than the Atlantic.
Way different.
It's a whole different feel to the beach. It's more untamed.
Yeah.
That's a feeling you get.
Well, I asked that guy what he was fishing for. He said ocean perch.
Awesome.
Yeah. He said I said, what's your average? He said they're about 4 or 5 pounds.
Holy shit.
Yeah. Just look at that wood there. It's like amazing.
Huge driftwood.
I mean, huge.
We're not talking about it.
Check it out. Now look at those islands way out there.
Yep. Look at that piece of wood coming up.
Yeah. Sure is. Yeah, they got driftwood here that's like
Massive.
like 60 foot diameter by like 60 foot long.
Yeah. Will not fit in your pocket.
Yeah. Check out this. Yeah, I'm not seeing those seashells. Well, little baby ones there. That's a seashell, ain't it? The rock?
Yeah.
Huh. That's a seashell right here? No, is that a rock?
Yeah. I'm not seeing seashells like you do in
Florida. Yeah, those look like rocks. I ain't seen those seashells at all. Huh. That's odd. Yeah, they're just little white rocks. Lots of little rocks. There's a vessel way out there. All right. To our next episode.